1, 2, 1, 2. So I've recolored all of the Proton icons. Now the problem was that as we migrate out of Google and we do our whole, this thing keeps turning off. As we migrate out of Google, we are used to these colorful Google icons and stuff. They're somewhat the same color palette of the Google 4 colors. Yellow, blue, red, green. Yet at the same time, we're so used to them where they're easily distinguishable. One of the things that I had an issue with when migrating to Proton ecosystem, ditching Google, is that all of their icons, yeah, there's a subtle variety in their gradients and their icons, but I always found myself having a very hard time to try to navigate and find that icon. They're all so similar. So what I did is I got all their assets from Proton and I recolored them, but instead of recreating the wheel and making my own colors, I just went to the blog. I'm sure they have some sort of a branding guide. I found this blog, a new visual universe for Proton. Scroll down to see what they got to offer. They're talking about the Proton icon logos and all that stuff. And I found the color universe color palette. So I went into Illustrator, sampled all those colors, and applied it to every single Proton app icon that currently exists. I'm sure as they release more products, there's going to be more icons to add. But in order to make it easier, I've allowed it to be downloadable for you on your end. So anyway, I provided all those icons below in a link from Proton Drive. You can go ahead and find that in the info of this video. But let's go into a preview of how to now install these icons on your DeGoogled phone. So here we go. Instead of downloading them all, what I'm going to do is just going to download whatever color I want for each app. So what did I have here? For blue, I had calendar. I'm going to go ahead and long hold the calendar. For green, I had Proton VPN. All right, then for lavender, I had nothing. For orange, I had Proton Pass. And for pink, I had Proton Mail. I guess coming out of Google, I always want to see like a reddish pink watermelon red icon. So this is close enough using the Proton's color palette. See, for purple, I don't think I have anything for purple. For wallet, I'm going to do white, and for yellow, I did a drive. So let me just download all those files, and we're going to install them. So let's go to our icons. So these are our Proton icons. So let's start with wallet. So we're going to long click and hold the icon. We're going to click edit. Now, in your privacy Android phone, whatever the kind of OS that you have on it, the concept is the same. You long click, you should be able to edit it. We're going to click on the icon and we're going to choose our own from gallery. Now, here's our, this is an interesting one. Stalin says, dark humor is like food. Not everyone gets it. That's true. Anyway, so for wallet, we're going to click that. Did I do it? Boom. Now our wallet icon is updated. Let's go to Proton Drive. We're going to click and hold Proton Drive, and we're going to do the same kind of thing for all the other stuff. I want this one. Did I do it? Okay, great. Let's see, Proton Calendar. This one. For calendar, I had blue, so now we're verified. Proton Calendar is blue. Let's click Proton VPN. I had that to be a green color. I just need to select it, not open it. We need to long click, edit, click the icon, Proton Pass. I had orange. All right, now last but not least, we have Proton Mail. We're gonna click and apply our pink icon. Okay, so with that said, you're gonna realize that like the little bottom icons, they're not necessarily colored. Oh, now they are. Okay, cool. After we change the order of them, now the bottom preview of those icons is colored as well. So cool. So now like I've been using this for a few weeks and I definitely found myself not searching for the icon anymore because I was able to identify the color and identify the app associated with the color that I labeled it as. And then I'm able to navigate really quick. So hey, this is a bonus, whatever. Love it or hate it, take it or leave it, whatever. If you want to use it, go ahead and download the icons and utilize them in your Proton apps. Hey, much love. You guys have a good one, and happy New Year's, April 1st. For those who know, no. All right, blessings to you.